Hello, fellow savvy investors and financial enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into the top 10 signs that indicate you're not just making money, but you're truly thriving financially. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Sign 1: when your lifestyle matches your aspirations. From jet-setting across the globe, savoring exquisite cuisines, to indulging in life's luxuries, if you're living the life you've always dreamed of, chances are your finances are in a great place. Sign 2: your financial stability reflects in your home. Owning a beautiful property that is not just a roof over your head, but a sanctuary that reflects your success, is a clear indicator of your financial wellness. Sign 3: your investments are diversified and thriving. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or a robust retirement portfolio, having a diversified investment strategy that continues to grow is a sure sign of financial prosperity. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Sign 4: you're giving back. A true mark of financial success is the ability and willingness to give back to those in need. Whether it's through charitable donations, volunteering, or supporting causes you're passionate about, spreading wealth is a sign of true abundance. Sign 5: you prioritize continuous learning and growth. Investing in your education, attending seminars, and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you shows that you're constantly striving for personal and professional growth. Sign 6: you prioritize self-care and well-being. Taking care of your physical and mental health is a fundamental aspect of financial success. Whether it's practicing mindfulness, hitting the gym, or pampering yourself, investing in yourself is a sign of true wealth. Sign 7: you're financially literate and actively manage your wealth. Understanding the intricacies of personal finance, staying informed about market trends, and making informed decisions when it comes to your money showcases financial prowess and control. Sign 8: your financial goals are clear and achievable. Setting concrete financial goals, whether it's buying a dream home, retiring early, or starting a business, and actively working towards achieving them is a clear sign that you're on the path to financial success. Sign 9: you cultivate meaningful relationships and experiences. True wealth isn't just about money, it's about the relationships you cultivate, the memories you create, and the experiences you cherish with your loved ones. If your life is rich in these aspects, you're truly thriving. Sign 10: you have a sense of financial freedom and peace of mind. When you have the financial freedom to pursue your passions, make choices based on your values, and live life on your own terms without financial stress, you've truly achieved prosperity. Remember, financial success is not just about the numbers in your bank account, it's about the profound sense of security, freedom, and fulfillment that comes with it. So, keep striving, stay financially savvy, and may your journey towards financial prosperity be as fulfilling as the destination itself.